how to change the oil and oil filter in your 1994, 95, and 96 Chevy Caprice, Impala SS, Buick RoadMaster, and Cadillac Fleetwood with the LT1 motor. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. So the first step is going to be to pop the hood. This is a 1995 Cadillac Fleetwood with the 5.7 liter LT1 motor, and per the owner's manual, the engine oil capacity is 5 quarts, and that's what we have right here. 5 quarts of 5W34 synthetic, and we have our oil filter. So the next step is to remove the oil cap and set it to the side. The next step is to lift the car with the jack. Then we'll slide our jack stand underneath as well. And then we'll also slide our drain pan into position. So from underneath the car, you can see the radiator and the fans right here. And as I come underneath, you can see the oil pan right here. It's towards the front of the motor, so I'm actually laying underneath the grill. So I'm going to use a 14mm socket and a ratchet to remove the drain bolt. So after the oil drains, we'll go ahead and reinsert the plug and tighten it down. The next step is to remove the oil filter. I'm going to try to grip it with the paper towel and just unscrew it by hand. After removing the old filter, the next step is to take the new filter. Just going to take a little bit of fresh oil and put it on the gasket to make sure it seals properly. I'm also going to take some of this oil and pour it into the filter. And now this is ready to go on the car. Twist on the oil filter by hand. I also like to use a paper towel for extra grip to make sure it's tight. The next step is to use a funnel and pour in our 5 quarts of oil. Remove the funnel and reinstall the oil cap. The last step is to reset the oil system, and to do that, you put the key in the ignition switch, turn it to the run position, then fully press and release the accelerator pedal 3 times within 5 seconds, and you should see the light flash and then it goes out. So let's do that now. Insert the key, turn it to the run position, press the accelerator pedal 3 times, see the change oil light flash, then it goes out, and this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.